Hey, so if you want to integrate HubSpot with Google Sheets in 2026 and manage your data seamlessly, this full guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your browser and go to HubSpot. Log in using your HubSpot email and password. Once inside the dashboard, make sure you have access to workflows and integrations. To connect HubSpot with Google Sheets, go to the marketplace from the top right corner and search for Google Sheets integration. Click Connect App and follow the instructions to authorize HubSpot to access your Google account. Once connected, open Google Sheets. You'll see a new HubSpot add-on available. Install it if prompted. This allows you to pull data from HubSpot directly into your Sheets. Next, decide what data you want to sync. You can export contacts, deals, companies, or tickets. Choose the data source inside HubSpot and map the fields to columns in Google Sheets. This ensures all important information appears correctly in your spreadsheet. You can set the integration to update automatically. For example, new contacts added to HubSpot can appear in Google Sheets in real time or on a schedule, which saves a lot of manual work. Yeah, this part is super handy. Use filters in Google Sheets to organize the data. You can sort by date, deal stage, or any other property. This makes it easier to analyze trends and share insights with your team. If you need to send data back to HubSpot, use the same integration to import updates from Sheets to HubSpot. Always double-check mapping before importing to avoid errors. Finally, review your Sheets regularly and monitor the sync status inside HubSpot to make sure all data is up to date. And that's it. By connecting HubSpot with Google Sheets, mapping fields carefully, and enabling automatic updates, you can manage your data efficiently and keep everything synced. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it with your team, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, take care. Hey, so if you want to add charts in Google Slides in 2026 to present data clearly and professionally, this guide will walk you through everything step by step, so your information is easy to understand. First, open your browser and go to Google Slides. Log in using your Google account email